Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's currently not doing anything unexpected or crazy. It's all part of the current scenario. I will keep it simple here just to tell you where we're coming from. We moved up in a wave 1 here from the low at 880. We then came down all the way to nearly $1,000 again in a wave 2. Then moved up in a 3, then moved up in a 4, and then did what I believe was a wave 5 already. Missed my target area here by $20 to $30, unfortunately, and then came down. And what I believe currently, and again, there were a few different interpretations possible, but to keep it simple, I think we have just done, or we still are in this 5-wave move down, which will form a wave A of a larger ABC correction of a wave 2, which should land in the region between 1230 and 1440. Maybe it will eventually go a bit lower, and I will be able to adjust that probably. Depends on how high the wave B will go. So I will be able to specify those targets a little bit closer. Overall, yeah, what can we expect here? We're currently moving in this wave pattern that I had on the chart yesterday, in this ABC pattern here in a wave 4. We calculated here the green target area for the wave 4 or wave C again, yeah. Did that by using the wave 3 length and calculating the retracement areas. You can see that the minimum retracement was here, the 16, let's say rounded up, 1630 level, the 23.6% FIB level is the minimum retracement. We already touched that level before and reversed from it, as we said before. And now we've come again into this area and got rejected and moved out of it here yesterday. Yeah, so you can see how relevant this level is. And now we seem to be making here a higher low and maybe give it another go to the upside here. And we'll test the ideal retracement level again. The ideal retracement level for a wave C is actually, for a wave 4 is actually the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Here the 1660 level is a previous key support, so no surprise that we had a bit of resistance here. And we can also calculate targets by just taking here the length of the wave A and looking at more specifically what a more specific target might be here for a wave C. We can do that as well. And you can see that one key target, oh, let me just adjust it here slightly. That one key target would also be here the 1650 level. And yeah, I think we got there near enough. Next key target is here the 1720, 1725 level, depending on how accurate I use the wicks here. But around about 1720, 1725, that is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Yeah, and that is a key target for the wave C. It would be in the green reversal area here, so that's fine. And therefore, as I said before, only if we really go above 1740 here, impulsively, I would consider something more bullish is going on. This cannot be a triangle anymore. Yeah, not like on the Bitcoin chart where we had here an A, B, C, D. Possibly the next wave up is an E. This is looking more like an ABC pattern here, where we're still in the wave C. Could be the wave C is already finished. Yeah, the weakness over the last few hours may suggest that. But again, we've just made a higher low only. I think a good indication that the wave C really is over and that we are heading down already here in a wave 5, because I would expect, based on this wave pattern, one more dip down into the region between 1440 and 1464 or 1465. That would be here a move below this swing low, which is at 1563. I think that is a key level to watch out for. And yeah, that is sort of the region where I would expect one more dip. If we break below that level again, then we have space all the way down to 1230, and we can see that something more bearish is probably going on. But if you just look also here at these support and resistance levels, I mean, maybe I can draw that a little bit more accurately, but we had this channel here, this impulsive channel out of which we broke out of, and this impulsive channel would suggest that, yeah, you know, if we come down, we might find support here. So around that, depending on when it happens, around that 1465 level. So it will be interesting. At the moment, news that we can update here are limited, but still want to update you on the lower level wave count here. And again, I would expect one more dip down. Just has to do with the situation of the wave count, the overall wave count. You can see on the 4-hour chart we're already losing bullish momentum again. Let's see how that's playing out. But overall, indicators still sort of on track actually to move higher for now. We have to say the indicators would suggest both ways at the moment. Yeah, they're quite neutral at the moment. So they allow for both options. I would still think one more dip that would just align very nicely with the wave count. From here then a larger recovery in a wave B, and then coming down in a wave C into this target area here, from which we can then start ideally in a wave 3, in an impulsive wave 3 to the upside. Okay, and that's my update here about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, then check out our Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the video description, and maybe also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.